You are ready to transform the way you work with wood, metal, or any other material that requires precise cutting. Discover the REEKON M1, the revolutionary measuring tool that will change the game in your construction, renovation, or DIY projects. Feel free to click on the link in the description to learn more right now about its unique features, see the thousands of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours at the best price right now. The REEKON M1 is the ideal tool for craftsmen, passionate DIYers, and construction professionals who are looking to save time and increase the precision of their cuts. Its ease of use and compatibility with various types of saws make it an essential tool for anyone serious about their manual work. Imagine a world where measuring and marking each piece before cutting becomes a thing of the past. The REEKON M1, with its smart yellow, white, and black design, makes this possible. This tool, which weighs barely a pound, fits almost all types of saw guides. It projects the measurements of your materials directly onto a large backlit LCD screen, allowing you to work in low light conditions without sacrificing accuracy. Modern technology at your advantage. With the REEKON M1, measure and cut stored materials up to 3 times faster than traditional methods. Say goodbye to your old tape measure and pencil. With this tool, precision becomes child's play. With an accuracy of plus or minus 0.029 inches and a precision of plus or minus 0.01, it is even capable of measuring miter cuts, compound angles, and straight cuts on a variety of materials, from wooden boards to composites and pipes. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see thousands of extremely satisfied customer reviews. But that's not all. The REEKON M1 has been designed with safety in mind. It centralizes the measurement in one place, allowing you to focus on the cut, thereby reducing the risk of accidents. And let's talk about the installation. Quick and simple. Attach the REEKON M1 to your saw guide, adjust the arm, enter the thickness of your blade, and you are ready to start your work. Ideal for professionals, contractors, and craftsmen. This tool is compatible with a wide range of sites, making it extremely versatile. Now, let's summarize its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, significant time savings. No need to manually measure and mark each piece. Advantage number 2, improved accuracy. The digital display minimizes reading errors. Advantage number 3, increased safety. It reduces the risk of accidents by centralizing measurement at a single point. Advantage number 4, ease of installation. It can be quickly attached to various types of saw guides. Advantage number 5, versatility. Compatible with a wide range of saws and various materials. Advantage number 6, portability. Lightweight and easy to transport to different job sites. As for its disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, learning curve. It requires familiarization to optimize its use. Disadvantage number 2, accuracy on smooth materials. It is accurate, optimized for smooth materials, and may be less precise on rough or uneven surfaces. So, do you want to learn more about how the REEKON M1 can revolutionize your workshop? Don't miss this opportunity to improve your productivity and the quality of your cuts. Click on the link in the description to order at the best price, discover thousands of customer reviews, and see how the REEKON M1 becomes the essential tool for your projects. Don't just measure smartly with REEKON M1. Thank you for your attention and see you very soon.